If you want to enhance your security on Coinbase by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu. Look for the Security tab, which is usually found in the Account Settings section. Step 3. Review authorized devices. In the Security Settings, find the section that lists all authorized devices. This will show you the devices that have access to your account. Step 4. Select devices to remove. Identify the old or unused devices that you want to remove. There should be an option next to each device to remove or revoke access. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the devices you wish to remove, confirm your choice. You may need to enter your password or complete a verification step to finalize the removal. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Coinbase security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.